Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2020 Kia NIRO PHEV plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. It's an EX trim package. It's featured in snow white pearl exterior with a charcoal interior. This example is offered by Lou Fusz Kia in St. Louis, Missouri. It has a sticker price of $35,015. And for additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Josh. His contact information is below. As we move around to the back of the vehicle, you can see the Eco plug-in badging on the rear hatch. And we move around to the side of the vehicle, you get a great look at the electric heated side mirrors. They are power folding side mirrors. You also can see the 16-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels wrapped with all-season tires. And we move around to the front of the vehicle. We have auto on-off projector headlamps, high beam assist, LED daytime running lights, LED taillights, roof rails, fog lamps. As we dive into the interior, this vehicle has a lot of safety features: forward collision avoidance, blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic, lane keeping, lane following assist, electric stability control, driver attention warning, downhill brake hill start assist control. Here we see the leather wrapped steering wheel with the fingertip controls and the center stack. We'll show more of that in a moment. The seats are a cloth with a leather trim. Here we get a great look at the dash from the back seat, and we get a door-to-door shot of the dash. Really an impressive dash as we tilt back and show the headliner. So you can see the driver's seat is a power driver's seat and a power lumbar seat. And you can see the Eco plug-in badging on the dashboard. Really an impressive dash, an 8-inch screen. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Here we can see the instrument cluster, the fingertip controls on the steering wheel. It is a tilt telescoping steering wheel. There again is the power driver's seat. So the driver's controls for the window are a power one touch up and down power windows. The center console. The instrument cluster. We have paddle shifters, fingertip controls for the steering wheel. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel, as well as the gear selector is leather wrapped. As we punch through the functionality of the 8-inch touchscreen, we have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless phone charger. Here we have additional power ports for the driver and passenger. There's the leather wrapped gear selector. Heated front seats. We have 3 levels: high, medium, and low. Electronic parking brake. Center console, nice and deep center console. And when we open the glove box, you see the owner's manuals. And again, there's the Eco plug-in badging on that beautiful dash. Dual climate controls, push button start and stop. Again, you can see the paddle shifters there. So as we open up the rear hatch, we have 19.4 cubic feet of storage. Here's the plug-in for the hybrid engine. As we close the hatch and get a really nice look at the back of the vehicle at that quarter shot. Here's where you plug in the vehicle. And the engine is a 1.6 liter GDI 4-cylinder engine with a 60 horse electric motor. It's an 8.9 kilowatt lithium ion polymer battery. Really a clean installation here. It has 141 horsepower, 6-speed quick shift automatic with sport mode, idle, stop, start, go system,